Hi guys, welcome back. This video is going to be really short. Just want to introduce you to another type of variable. We've looked at how to keep numbers inside of integers and doubles. This is going to take a look at how to store letters and words using a variable type called strings. So really quickly here, I'm just going to make one, show you how to use it. String word. Okay, this basically sets aside space in memory to store a string of characters, okay, or basically letters. So what we can do here is we can say word is hi. You always use quotation marks when you're saving text. And then if you want to print it out, you can just say print out word. Okay, we give us a quick run. And you'll see here it printed out hi. So it works nicely. Now, what are some other things you can do with strings? Well, after you print it out, you can actually add on to your strings if you want to. Word is word plus, let's say, the word there. And you'll notice I actually did put an extra space. Space counts as part of this string variable here. Basically, this is called concatenation. Basically means joining. So it'll take the original word, which is hi, and it'll add on there. And so now when I print it out, system.out, print line, word is changed. And when I give it a run, you'll see, well, that's hi. And now when you print it out, it's hi there. We built onto it. So that's pretty good. Now, for now, that's all we want to tell you about strings in terms of just making them. There's a lot more to learn about them, which we'll get to later on. There's a lot of good details. The user input class, which you see right there, which has already been brought into this project, has a method if you ever want to ask the user to enter a word. So let's say I say string name, and then say, hey, name, set yourself equal to user input get string. Enter your name, please. And then I can print out some message, something dorky, like nice to meet you, name. And basically, this should do what you think it does. It runs, eventually gets to enter your name, please. I'll say John, and then a little nice to meet you, John. So now you have a way to save words. Now strings, even though I've used full words here, remember you can do single characters if you want, and you can also do a combination of numbers. You could do that. Now you can't do math with this because that is not a number 33, that is the text 33, because it's in quotes. And basically there's really no limits, right? So you can put any symbol you can type on the keyboard, you can put in there for the most part. So that's your little basics on strings, because we're going to be using strings in our next section, which is coming up soon, where we look at conditions. So thanks for watching. Now you know a little bit about strings.